Well, maybe not literally, but managing finances can definitely feel like an uphill battle. That's where companies like Expensify come in, promising to streamline your expense tracking and reporting. But what if using Expensify itself starts feeling like another expense to manage? Today, we're diving into the world of Expensify's unbundled fees. We'll break down what they are, how much they cost, and whether you can avoid them altogether. So buckle up, finance warriors, because knowledge is power, and this video might just save you a few bucks. The allure of Expensify. Let's rewind a bit. Expensify offers a popular expense management platform. It helps businesses and individuals track receipts, categorize spending, and generate reports, all in one place. Sounds pretty handy, right? Here's the catch. Expensify has a free plan, but it comes with limitations. To unlock the full suite of features, you need to upgrade to a paid subscription. There are two main pricing models, bundled and unbundled. Bundled bliss, with a catch. The bundled plan is where things get interesting. It combines your monthly subscription fee with the use of the Expensify card. This corporate credit card integrates seamlessly with the platform, offering benefits like automatic expense tracking and real-time spending insights. Now, the key thing here is that if at least 50% of your company's approved expenses go through the Expensify card, then you avoid the dreaded unbundled fees altogether. Basically, Expensify incentivizes you to use their card, and hey, if it simplifies your expense tracking process, that's a win-win, right? Unbundling the mystery. But what happens if the Expensify card isn't the perfect fit for your business? Maybe you already have a preferred corporate card, or perhaps international transactions aren't your thing. In that case, you'll get hit with the unbundled fee. This fee essentially charges you the full price of the subscription plan you choose, separate from any card usage. Depending on the chosen plan, collect or control, the unbundled fee can range from $9 to $18 per user, per month. The sliding scale, a ray of hope, maybe. There's a bit of a silver lining here. Expensify offers a sliding scale for the unbundled fee. This means if your Expensify card usage falls below the 50% threshold, but it's still a significant portion of your spending, you might not pay the full whack. The fee gets partially applied based on your card usage. It's important to note that this sliding scale might not be readily advertised. You might need to dig through Expensify's documentation or contact their sales team for a clearer picture. So, should you use Expensify? The answer, like most things in finance, depends. If the Expensify card seamlessly integrates with your spending habits and offers valuable benefits, then the bundled plan could be a cost-effective solution. However, if the card isn't a good fit, or the unbundled fees seem like a burden, then exploring alternative expense management platforms might be a better option. Remember, the key takeaway is to do your research. Understand your spending habits, compare Expensify's plans with other options, and factor in the potential unbundled fees before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spending and saving.